oven. And it's definitely coming from a fan. It's not the circulation fans there, it's the inner blower fan. All right, after much ado, we have I like the digital schematic because it lets me do a whole lot more. Oh no, I lost it. There you go. So long story short, I was looking for where the blower motors connect, and they are J5 and J4 on the board, which are these guys right here. All right, so it's just been moved to a place where there's no power. The power is way on the other side. I don't want to move it again. So I actually think I'm just going to pull both of these blowers off. It's just 4 bolts. And then we'll see which one sounds bad when I spin them. And then we'll do the fun of pricing them. Boy. Okie dokie. So, here's our 2 fan motors. Here's the bottom one. And I still think that stops a little early. Here's the top one. It just doesn't turn. So, I'm gonna replace them both. I'm gonna quote to replace them both. Yeah, so that's why she's squealing. Boo. But yeah, so just those 4 bolts, they hook from the board. So the actual replacement will be easy peasy. Also have some more of this fire resistant tape, this high temp tape. Because anytime you deal with these ovens, it's always a pain. Alright, so there she is. So I mean, I'll use Partstown to find it, and then I'll chase it through other things. So Amazon actually sells it too. There's a couple sellers, but you're still talking about $1,000. Watch out for this one. So when I Google I realize these are ads, right? So $855, $97. Man, let's click that. Let's not. Here's the thing. Nova Elites. Scroll through the actual links that are attached and look if one of them is Nova Elites. It is not. That Nova Elites link is going to take you to who knows where because it doesn't actually meet the search. They paid to pop up if you search for that. So, yeah, buddy. $2,000 to revive this. We'll see. I was going to say that it doesn't matter, top and bottom. Part numbers are different, but it does matter, because I thought, well, the shape of where the cable comes out, if you look, if I orient these the same way, one of them the cable comes out the side and one it comes out the top, but I've got enough room to finagle that. But look at the blower blades. This one spins that way. This one spins this way. The scoops are backwards, right? These are scooped this way. These are scooped this way. You have to be careful when you order that you're ordering top or bottom. Terrible.